Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the task on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my thumb, and if you want to check the task, go to the paper icon at the lower left corner of the screen next to the faces, and here you can check the available task. Actually, I have the build a feed mill or plant wheat. If you want to go and doing a test, click to the go button. For example, I don't want to allow. Okay, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.